Today's our topic is operator. Operators are used to perform operations on variables and values. First, we will discuss the arithmetic operators. These operators are used to perform basic arithmetic operations, such as plus, minus, multiply, and divide. Now we will look at the syntax of the addition, where we will create a variable from sum, like let sum is equal to 5 plus 3, so we will have the output come as 8. Next is subtraction, where we will create a variable like let difference is equal to 10 minus 2, so we will have the output as 8. Next is multiplication, let product equal to 4, 2, outcome is 8, and in division, let quotient equal to 16, 2, outcome is 8. Assignment operators. These operators assign values to the variables. The first thing we do is to assign a value to a variable like let x number equals 10, which means we assigned a number to variable x and that number is 10. From the second syntax, we have add and assign mean, that is plus equal to will not only assign a value but will also add to it. As we said, let y is equal to 5. That is 5 equal to 3 means that 5 will come in place of y and will be added to it. Now, the outcome is 8. Next is subtract and assign minus let y equal to 4. Now y minus equal to y is equal to 4, so 4 minus 2 is 2. Comparison operators. These operators compare two values and return a Boolean result.
The first comparison operator in equal to that we'll check is whether the two values are equal. In a second, we'll look at not equal, to where we'll check for values that aren't equal, but that's not considering their types. We have a strict equal to, in which we will strictly check that the two values must be equal. After that, we have a strict not equal to, in which we will check if the two values are not equal or they have the same type. Next, we have greater than. In this, we will check that the value on the left side must be greater than the value on the right side, and the outcome will be in Boolean. Next is less than type, where we will check that the left value should be less than the right value. Then we have greater than or equal to type, in which we will check that the left value should be greater than or equal to, or should be greater or equal to the right value. And last we have less than or equal to type in which we will check that the left value should be less than or equal to the right value. Logical operators. These operators are used to combine multiple Boolean expressions. Next, we have three types of logical operators. First one is logical, and in which we see that if both expressions are true, then it will return true in outcome. Second is logical OR, and will return true if at least one expression is true. And the last is logical NOT. In Typescript, the logical NOT operator inverts the truth value of its operand, turning true to false and false to true. Thanks for watching. For more of short conceptual videos, like, share, and subscribe.